Alright, real quick, this is the Makarov with a 22 long conversion kit installed on it. You can tell with the nut that it has on the front that that's what it is. The slide is very light, comes off real easy. It's of course made with the same specs, but it's just lighter in the version than the Makarov because the blowback and the caliber strength of a 22 is not the same as a 9x18. I'm just going to disassemble this here real fast for you, just to kind of show you. I just noticed there's a little bit of rust on here. Have to take care of that. I do recall when I first got this, I could not get this barrel to insert correctly. This is pretty much the setup for your conversion right here. And as you can see, it's a 22. And that's it. Just the it'll only go in one way, so yeah, just yeah. There you have it. You know, the magazines, for these pistols is shaped like this. I have had extra magazines that did not fit properly, that were not matched to the actual kit that I have. This is the magazine that's made with this kit. It's stamped 101, and this version of this kit is 101. It's hit or miss finding spare mags that will actually fit and not get stuck.